We got turkeys. Look at the turkeys.
I've heard a story, I've heard it said I've come to take my sunshine away.
Gonna be okay, baby. I'm gonna help you, honey. Just fight for me. So today, we woke up. It poured down rain all night last night. Didn't say it was going to. We went outside this morning to do the feeding, and all these silkies here were flooded. 3 of them drowned. These guys were half alive, and I brought all of them back to life. Besides this one right here, he's having a little bit of stressing. He's peeing on me. I don't know if he's going to make it. He's having seizures real bad. But I'm singing to him, and hopefully he'll come out of it. He was a beautiful black paint. He's a fighter, though. He's a doing it, but he's a peeing.
He's peeing?
Yeah, they'll pee on themselves sometimes. Just gotta keep him warm. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away. He comes in and out of it, guys. I'm not gonna give up on him. And all these underneath here, we got this one here. He was almost dead. He's eating now. He's doing great. He wants to perch up on my finger. Some of them are still stressed because they're so tired from me blow drying and them shaking to death. But I survived all of them so far. Besides, how many didn't survive?
Just
2 or 3?
No, just one.
Oh, just one?
Yes,
Okay, so just one's passed on me. And
all of them.
I'm praying over this little sunshine here, and if it makes it, I'm gonna name it Sunshine. Oh, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. And this is not burning them, guys. If it was, they would be screaming. A lot of them are underneath this brooder staying warm. I got a mess in my house and I don't care. It's just right here where I've been blow drying the mulch around, y'all. Sorry, my kids are running around. Now, this is part of being on the farm, y'all. Tragedies happen. You just fight and do your best and let the Holy Spirit work through you. Sorry, my wife won't stop shaking the camera.
There we go.
You know how much I love you, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Come on, baby, you can do it. Come on, I'm fighting for you. Holy Spirit, work through Mama. Come on. I had him up and going too, and now he's going back down on me. He's doing this where he's jerking his head back. He's fighting it though. I'm making him fight. If he didn't want to fight, he wouldn't jerk, wanting help. I got a leg, it's asleep. Oh my God, my leg's asleep. No. I wish.
That's the one that came
Fight it, fight it.
Is that the same one?
Yeah, she's a fighting.
Can I get some water or something for him?
Yeah, you can when I get done. Some of them might want water. I doubt it as much as they've drowned it.
No, water.
It just pooped on itself.
That's not good.
No.
You get a big towel or anything?
I just wiped it on this towel over here. I think I'm gonna have to give up. I think she's wanting me to leave her alone. She's stressing out, see? She didn't make it, guys. She's gone. I'm sorry, baby. I tried. Yeah, she went all the way out just now. I didn't think when she started pooping, it was over with.
Sometimes you win and sometimes you lose, and sometimes it calls you right in the move. Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my head, bringing me fire, bringing me water, taking me high, taking me down. Give me your pretty, give me your messy, give me your happy, give me your sad. I may be staying, I may.
That was the one that they brought in, thought was dead, and it was still alive. And it was just, if I would have brought it in with the rest of them, it would have survived. But we thought it was dead because it was laying there. Well, it started moving. Because all these birds were laying over, every one of them, besides two. The other two were just shivering to death. But they all have came through. I'm so happy and blessed with the ones that came through. Only two died out of this tragedy.
Is all of them okay now?
Yeah. Yeah, we need to get some water in here now so they can have some water. You can hear how much happier they are. Hear them chirping. Alright guys, I just thought I would show you all what it's like to have chickens when they get wet and they're laying on the ground on their side. Please take them in, blow dry them. Don't let them just sit there and die, because I have how many chicks here? We had 9 altogether. And 2 passed away on us, so 7 of them are in here alive, and they were all laying on their side. So just because they're laying on their side, not communicating or moving, does not mean they're dead. They're just in shock, and you can bring them back to life by just rubbing their bodies and keeping them warm and blow drying them. The best part you want to keep warm is the bottom of their feet and the bottom of their stomachs dry. That's the first thing you want to get dry, and underneath those wings.
Probably want to put their mouth maybe in it. So they know it's there.
No, they know. They're not babies. Anyways, guys, I'm a hot mess. This is one of those days which you got to do this. We had a bad morning, but I'm proud that all of them survived besides 2. I wish all of them did, but sometimes it don't happen. I'd rather have 7 than none. So until next time, guys, have a fantastic day and happy farming. Bye.